Welcome to another video for Sabota Computers. Today we're going to build a computer. And this is the brand we have, Vivo or Vivo. I don't know what the pronunciation is of that, but I just call it Vivo or Vivo. And we'll take it out in just a second. Right? Here's the case that we're using today called Vivo. It's got one USB 3, two USB 2s, a headphone and a microphone jack and a power button. And a reset. I think it's a reset. I'm not sure what this is. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And there's the inside. We take all those cables and hook them up to the appropriate motherboard or ports, and we'll have a computer built.